Alright, hey, welcome to part 3 of Plug and Play Gardening with Brian. So this is what I got done today. They're all built. And, you know, this section's 3, 6, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. $72 squares of gardening. And I got these guys mostly centered. They're centered enough for me. And I put these little bumpers on the corners. There will be a gate, you know, that goes right here, where that guy's just leaning against. And then over here where I got this bar wedged in here, we'll have another gate. That one's a little longer. And then back here on the north, west, whatever, that's where I'm gonna have my climbers. Anything that climbs is gonna go on them outside, on the outside square. Remember, each of these is only 1, 2, 3 squares. So we'll have 1 square climbers all the way across the back. And another gate right here. And this guy's sloped. It's not even close to level. That's personal though, because first thing I built, one of my shelves is off kilter by just a little bit. So I made this guy the same way. Yeah, let's get my fingers out of the way. But the PVC is just sitting in there right now. I gotta drill up the side and find the right size screws to screw it in place. But yeah, it comes up pretty close to the corner. I gotta dig out the ground underneath, you know, a couple inches underneath right where it is. So I lower this side here instead of trying to raise that side up to make it level. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. In here I got a drain spout. Got to do something so that goes down to a pipe, runs across, cut a hole through there so it goes out the other side into the yard for when it rains. Wish I could just capture the rain. I'd make a dang pool right there. Oh, I got a robin. But yeah, wood pile's kind of low out there, but I haven't gone scrounging the deadfalls. And this is what I got left for panels here. Not much. And that one over there. Bridge is just about ready to, like, temperature's fine. I could actually start painting today, but I'm tired. I'm gonna crack a beer and relax and maybe have a glass of wine. I don't know. But yeah, and people say stoners are lazy. I couldn't have done this without my pot. Like, I hurt so bad right now from leaning and bending, but I was able to function with it. Whereas if I'd have taken, like, the oxys or the whatever crap I was on from the VA for years, I'd have been just laying down because I'd have been so messed, you know, the amount I need to take to be functioning is too high. So instead I just smoke a few bowls and, you know. But I got all this done in 3 days, and I'm dang impressed with the battery. I got everything put together that you saw yesterday, except for, which was all but this little last section here. One battery. And then I did the trim, those guys with the next battery. But one battery! I didn't even recharge it between the nights. And I got most of that done. I love that Ryoko thing. That power drill that Dad's got. Let me grab it and show you. This guy. Right here. Boom. What do we have for an end charge on this one? Looks like 3, 2. So 1.5 batteries to get all this done. Should be interesting to see. Now I gotta fill it. And I do have these nails sticking out here, so I'm thinking about getting a cutter and trimming them off. Got wire cutters and stuff. And I got buddies who have Dremels. So I might do that. But basically, what we're gonna do here for the next step, I will show you. Or not, because I put the tape, measuring tape away. But these guys are 5.5 inches long. So 6 inches down, maybe about to here. Everything below, like the middle of the second panel here, everything below here is just going to be fill. Sticks and dirt and a whole shit ton of leaves. And then above that, the last 6 inches, 8 inches, I'm going to fill with Mel's Mix, which is compost, soil, and vermiculite, and peat moss. Well, the soil is part of the compost. The compost turns into soil, so. But yeah, I do have some yard work to do in the back. Like I got to rake, blow out all these leaves, bring them all in the back. That's the only big board that's left. Open the gate here. Close the gate. That's a little board that's left. There's my little back brace. But I got work to do on the compost still. I gotta get the uprights. And I emptied out all the charcoal from the fire pit there. And that pile in the front's the leaves from the front yard. This is just the stuff from last year. I grabbed the pitchfork from my folks, so I'm gonna move it. I was gonna do it today, but I'm so tired. So it's gonna wait till tomorrow. And that's really all I got. What do we have coming up in the garden back here? Some dandelion. Not sure what that is, but it was pretty last year, so I'll let it be. Some more dandelion. I do believe that patch there is what these tall guys are. Not sure what that is. Feels kind of like catnip. No minty smell. There's no taste at all. Really bland. So I don't know what it is. Oh, it's mint. Minty. But yeah, got some wood here. Christmas tree. And this log's not so much here. I'm gonna go walk through over there in the next few days and clean up. Bring some more logs back here. That's just the backyard. This is my lowest spot over here. So as you can see, most everything is uphill. Fire pit. We really got a rake here. Yard. Oh, yeah. Let me show you this in case you ain't been here. Got a little face on the tree. Not sure if he's smiling or just keeping an eye out. But yeah, back to square one. This is where we started. And we're up to 11 minutes. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Bye.